second or third. Are we ready? Steve, are we ready for a countdown? Countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's wreck 'em! Oh, 13 got out to a quick start. 32X out of the gate. Oh man, 32. Here we go. Oh, it's on. It is on now. We'll do it from 3, 2, 1, go! Let's get it on! Big shot from Tavis Topper. Tavis is lining up the next car. Big shot coming. Tavis Topper sent him into orbit with that hit. Man. He says, I'm coming back after you. Oh, yeah. Don't take yourself out, though. Tavis Topper, Mad Dog contender now. Backing up. Oh, we must have some hurt feelings going on back there. Red flag, hold him up. Red flag. Up, and we're back under green. Oh, man. Tavis says, I'll make sure you don't run that car anywhere else. Tavis just tore that car off. Hit so far by the 12. 7 coming in. 7 and Tavis making a mutual hit. No hit by the 12. All right, the 12 and the 7 mutual hit. Swing and a miss from Tavis. Woo! Got her up on 2 wheels. You know, we don't teach that in the class. Michael Fraley's still going. Is he out? Oh, Michael Fraley is out, they tell me. Hold on, we got to get that flag out of there. Oh, Tavis got the last hit so far. Not a huge hit, but contact nonetheless. Oh, the 12 is on the move. There you go. Last hit now by the 12. Now by the 29X. Oh, now by the 12. Mutual hit there, both back right, Matt Cole in the 7 going out 3rd place. Congratulations, Mac. 29X and the 12 battling. Mutual hit again. Oh man, they're gonna finish it nose to nose, maybe. No, Tavis says 12 has got the last hit now. 12 is looking, sparks coming out of the front. Mutual shot again, back to back. Uh-oh, silence in the 12 camp. Nope, fired it back up. I'm the world's best backwards driver. And another mutual hit in the 12 and 29X. Oh, and Tavis escapes. Live to fight another day. There we go. 29X, that hit was all you. Here we go. Oh, mutual hit. They both were moving forward. Here we go. Keep knocking them in the head. Oh, more sparks.